A
You
new
see this?
PC case with automatic air vents is freaking me out. Who's me? Mike Fahey.
Hey.
Fahey. All the way over on Kotaku. He's freaked out.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm freaked out. I like it. I think it looks amazing. That is very cool. Kind of reminds me of, what was that car? Was it a Mercedes concept car that had fins on it that kind of behaved like that?
Yeah, the Avatar car.
Yeah, I'm talking supercar Blondie.
Yeah, AVTR.
Could drive sideways.
It looks like it's
Yeah.
breathing.
That's what I'm talking about. This reminds me of that. What if your gaming computer could breathe, opening its mouths wide to gulp in air when it got too hot, or shuttering its orifices to keep out dust and reduce? You don't have to use that word.
Yeah.
That's the idea behind CyberPower PC's somewhat unsettling Kinetic Series PC case. Yeah, this is, come on, man. It adjusts to your system's airflow needs.
I appreciate this mainly because PC cases, they all look very techy nowadays with the RGB and the glass.
The gamer aesthetic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which is nothing wrong with it, but this looks like a piece of art.
There's nothing wrong with it, but there's something wrong with it. Well, that's what they said. I mean, options are good. Options are good. And this would be the type of thing that you would put in your den, Will. You would put this in your den. You would have bookshelves full of literature. You would have a leather desk pad.
Yeah, a humidor. Right?
A crystal glass of cognac.
Yes.
You would have. You would have this
I would have this, yes.
CyberPower. What was the company?
CyberPower.
Yeah, okay. You would have this CyberPower PC chassis. It's funny that they have this very minimalist monument-looking case, but the company is called CyberPower PC, which is smells like RGB to me.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I can smell the RGB from here.
Yeah, apparently it's also functional too. So it could take in more wind when it's opened up.
Yeah, of course. I love it, man.
Taking more air, I guess. But
I wonder though, like dust buildup, and I have questions, as anyone would. But I don't
think about it.
No,
it's strictly art.
I'm gonna stop thinking about it because it's just too cool looking, and I think everybody wants one, and we're just gonna leave it at that for the time being. It's very cool.
Yeah.